Okay guys, welcome to top-down analysis on Usdjpy. This is the weekly time frame and we are going to analyze on the weekly time frame and head to the 1 hour time frame where we will be taking our entry. So let's get started. Okay, on the weekly time frame, first thing what we can see is we are in a downtrend, right? Like we're creating higher highs, higher low, higher high. We shifted, came here, lower high, lower low, lower high, and now we are creating lower low, right? We are bearish on the weekly time frame. But on the weekly time frame, what else we can see? We can see what? 1, 2, double bottom, right? So indicate that there's a reversal pattern to move to the upside. So on the weekly time frame, we are bearish. Weekly is bearish, so we'll mark that weekly bearish. So we move to the daily time frame. Okay, all we can see on the daily time frame is this. This is the last structure that broke to the upside, giving us breakout structure to the upside. And this was the origin that caused the breakout structure. This. And you see how many rejection we have multiple rejection for this particular place. So indicating that there is a strong zooming out. This block is a strong block that will continue to push the market to the upside. But what we can see again is we are bullish on the daily time frame, so we mark that daily bullish. The daily time frame is bullish, so we mark that. We mark down daily time frame bullish. Okay, then we move down to the 4 hours. Okay, on the 4 hours, what can we see here? Let us refine the zone. We refine the zone to this. Okay, on the 4 hours, let's just remove this. On the 4 hours, this structure, we have breakout structure here, and we have change of character making us to go bearish. Okay, so looking at this aspect, you're looking at this this was the last structure that broke to the downside on the 4 hours. We also have this was the last structure that broke to the downside, BOS, and we closed above, giving us what? Change of character. So right now we are bullish on the 4 hours as well. So daily time frame bearish, weekly time frame bearish, daily time frame bullish, and the 4 hours for each bullish. So the 4 hours is bullish. So now we head to the 1 hour and we find our zone and get our position for this week. Okay, we head to, let us refine the zone on the 1 hour. Okay, now we look at this place. This was the last structure that broke to the downside, right? Yeah, and this structure was the last break to the downside, giving us breakout structure, and we closed above, giving us change of character. So now this is the origin that caused this breakout structure this change of character. So what we want to see this market tapping in here, then we move to the upside. So this place now will be our liquidity grab. This will be our liquidity grab. So we want to see this market coming here, sweeping this, and giving us a candlestick pattern. Then we move to the upside. So the weekly time frame is bearish, daily time frame bullish, 4 hours bullish, and the 1 hour is bullish. One ish, 1 hour is bullish. So we have 3 time frame heading in the same direction. So we are bullish as well. We are going to buy this market. So this is our technical top-down analysis on USDJPY. Yeah.